So some icicles fell down and got on the phone. So hopefully by the time this is on YouTube, this isn't a separate video. So if you're wondering why it just cut out, that's why. Oh, it just moved. See it? Little green tail there. So if you guys were wondering why it just cut out there, it's because when I knocked on the side wall, ice fell down from right there and water and stuff. You can see it right, like icicles lined up there. So yeah, that's why it just cut out. So see, we got all these feathers on the ground where they've been shedding. You guys want to see it up close of, that's not a good one. Well, we ain't got no good ones today, but if we get back in the house, Mom's got this whole thing of feathers she's saved up. So hopefully you get to look at that for the video or videos is over. So hopefully we get to take a look at that. And so now we're off to this is a official railroad crossing sign. Norfolk Southern was gonna use this, but we got in touch with someone and now it sits here in our driveway. Well, it used to, until somebody, aka my dad, hit it with a semi. So luckily the sign's not broken, but you know, it just happens. We'll go down here. Got this new goat barn. If you guys want to see the inside of it, give me a second, because that's what I'm about to do. Unhook this. Hopefully there's a goat in here. One or two goats in here. Nope, it's empty. But, as you can see, this is like, we would take this, and this is our door. That would like, you know, the cinder blocks are there. It's to stop the goats from like trying to see if they bucket. Like if they try to headbutt it. I don't know why I said buck, but if they tried to headbutt it, those cinder blocks stop it. So, it's kind of hard doing this while holding the phone, recording a video for y'all. Yeah, that's our door. So the goats can go in, and then they can also stay out. Here's our feeder. You can see this is where the food goes in. And it lands down here for them to eat. And then we also got these, like, it was originally storage shelves, but now we're using it as feed and stuff. Here's their water bin. And I should probably go get them water. Oh, there he is. We got our first goat. Who's a buddy? Who's a good buddy? Who's a good buddy? See, good. Oh, we got some goats sewing up. Yeah. Get out of here. Because we don't want them trying to open the door and then letting all of them out, and then I having to cut the video again. So, yep. The goat barn. We got some little goats here. Here's our humongous goat pen. The pond down there, you can see it for the ducks. That's our goat pen. Some geese, a miniature horse, and we got some chickens in here, a couple turkeys too. If anyone asks, no, we do not use them for Thanksgiving. We buy those from the store because these are just like pets. They're not for like eating. The turkeys, chickens, and stuff, they're just pets. So we got all that. We got the yard dog. And I was talking about the new addition to the farm. Well, it's all the way down here. So we'll take you down there. And I have a feeling some of you guys watching this video are gonna like this. Hey, leave a guess in the comments what you think it is. I want to see what you guys think it is. So if you didn't pause the video to comment it, I'll give you a couple seconds to leave a comment and what you think it is. I'll give you about like until we hit the 7-minute mark. Well, I don't think it'd be 7 minutes on the video, but right now it says 7. Alright, so hopefully you got your comments on what you think it is. I know the video shouldn't say like 7 because it's not exactly it's not on the same video as before, but it had to cut the video because the icicles fell down when we was at the peacock pen. So on my end for the second video it said 7, so I was just explaining for you guys, but it is a chicken pen. Not chicken pen, but a rabbit house. There's a little rabbit here. I want this rabbit up here. Oh, you just hissing me? Huh? And then we got this one. And then this one kind of looks the same. And then got this one. He's a little moody today. Then if I haven't showed you guys this one, get like a top view for this one. Yeah. They're all just enjoying their food and water. Which is pretty nice. Letting them have a good time. So we hook this back up. Dude. Alright, I got it. Soaked up. Now we put this piece of wood back. Then like at the beginning of the school year, some of y'all wanted to know if we have a semi that we own, and now the answer is yes, we do. We've had this since like, I'm gonna say November. It's a Peterbilt. Let's get snow off here. Show you guys the inside. Because most of you probably don't even know what a semi looks like on the inside, but this is like an old one. See, it's air suspension and stuff on the seats. This one is a manual. So this is your air horn. It's been sitting, not running. Well, it can run. We just haven't been running it because it's so cold and it hasn't been checked yet. So we hold it over here on a trailer. This is your air horn. See, you can hear me pulling it. And then, I don't know, this thing came when we bought it. This is just like a charm or something. And then somehow they managed to get the wheel like that when they parked it. So I'm gonna see if wheels are straight. Yeah, the wheels are straight. So I don't know what happened there, but you got your gas. There's your brake. And this is your clutch. I didn't really want to press that because that would more than likely cause the truck to start moving. But if it wasn't for the, this is your parking brake. Push it in to unset it, and then you pull it out to set it. Same with this. If you're wondering why there's two different things, this is your truck's air brake, and this is your trailer air brake. So that's why that's there. And then if you guys want to take a second and read this, this is 11 speed. Oh, my bad, guys. I was trying to get the driver's side window to go up, but so yeah, this one doesn't have the split gear switch. It only has, right now it's in low. You guys can probably tell because it's lower than if you flip it up, that'd be high. I don't really want to mess with this because if you put a truck in gear, then it's going to start to move. But also, it's shut off and parking brake. So here's the passenger seat. These cool things right here. These yellow things. If you've ever been in a semi or something and you've wondered what those are, like if you have the seat belt and it's like rubbing against you like that, like it's rubbing against your neck and it's like really really uncomfortable. So what you would do is you'd pull this out and then flip this up. It's called a comfort latch, as you can probably see. And that keeps it from going in. See how you guys can't probably not see that, but get this one out of the way. But this just like stops this. If you guys see how hard I had to pull to get that to stop. So and then all you got to do to release it is you could just flip it down like that, or if you're driving, all you got to do is like that, just tug on the on part. So if you guys want to see that again, flip it up, you lock this in place, that way the seat belt is like kind of loose, and then you could pull on this, and then another way you could do it, like if you're parked or something, you could just flip it down. And that's the semi. Of course, we got your radio. We're trying to find a CB to put up there, but we got all that. So here's a tour of that. And then we do have 2 trailers, but this one's the one that we're actually going to use. And this one up there, you can see it. It's like that gray door. That's our storage trailers. We're just going to use that one for storage, and this one, the one that says Chem Century, is well, it doesn't belong to them. Like, they tried to take the letters off, but it didn't really do a good job. So you can still see everything on the side of the trailer. And so there's that. And you guys were wondering, yes, this was an RMX trailer, but before that, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, because this is going through the cell phone's camera. Yeah, you guys could probably see that. It says Budweiser. Here, I could probably get it on the... Oh, I never noticed this. King of Beers. I never noticed that. And we've had this trailer for like a month or 2 now. On this side, it don't have an RMX thing. I mean, it does, but it's on the other side. So you've seen the back of the wording. So there's the B, the U, and all the stuff that you might have missed on the one side. Of course, it's being blocked by a telephone pole. And then after the D, you got W, E, that's an I. It's very faint, but you can see it on the other side. And then S, and then you can see these letters on the other side, ER. So, and that's pretty much it. So, tell me what you think below in the comment section. And, oh, there's one more thing I got to show you if you guys want to see all this. It is a feed building. It's got like all the animal feed and stuff. And then I'll show you guys the wood stove. If you haven't seen the video where I asked y'all if you guys wanted to see more farm videos, and 100% of you guys said yes. Oh, house trap. I almost stepped on it. Dang. No rabbits in here. They got moved over there. You don't know, I almost stepped on that. I mean, I stepped like right here, where I touching the non-sticky part. Let's see, got our dog food and stuff. We got horse feed. We got whole corn, and then we got premium cracked corn. I mean, we got rabbit pellets. And then we got Midwestern sweet mix. And that's really all. So, see you guys and have a good day. And for the last thing on our list for you guys to see is this is our carport. We added this huge new utility light. Here's the switch to turn the lights on there, on and off, so you can see me flipping them and you can see the lights and stuff. So I'll turn the lights on for now. So that we got a little bit more visibility. This is our wood stove. Our smokestack here. We got this log of wood, this log of wood. And then got stuff there. You guys want to see inside of it? Because there it is. Well, it's not exactly what I see, because you know the phone camera is a little bit different, but it's not like molten hot how the phone shows it, but it is very, very hot. I wouldn't recommend touching it. So I put a piece of wood in there for you guys, just for your sake. Well, also in mine, because this is literally the thing that keeps me alive at night. So set this right here. My bad, guys. That was my fault. Trying to find a place to put. Oh, I don't think I need another piece of wood in there. So I'm gonna close this when I'll make like a short when this wood stove, you can see how that like popped out. So when the wood stove is less burning, like a lot less hotter, I'll make like a short showing you me putting the wood in there. So I'll do that, and then it should be out like an hour or two, considering how hot and fast this is burning. So this is my razor. I took it mud running, and I've yet to clean it off. Got like a load stop and stuff. So I'm gonna take a power washer to this. The muffler. How was the muffler? What the? Yeah, that's not. It's not supposed to be like that, guys. Which it should be pretty obvious, but a screwdriver, my Lord and Savior, screwdriver. So we got the mud off of that primarily. I'm just gonna wait till it dries and stuff, you know, guys, because see how wet that is. So yeah, I'm gonna wait until that's dried up to, like, I'll peel it off of there first. I'll make like a video on that probably. And if you guys want to see my grill, this is my original grill. This is what I've been using for a while here. And then it's a charcoal grill It's a charcoal grill. But I just put some wood and stuff in it. It's a Expert Grill, heavy duty 24-inch charcoal grill. 372 square inch total cooking area, cast iron grates, variable charcoal tray height, and 2-year limited warranty. So there's that. And then I just got this new one. It's a Masterbuilt. I'm pretty sure you can control it from your phone because it has like a Bluetooth thing on it. So I'm not too sure about that. And here's the inside. And I'll unhook this for all you folks that want to see the, hold up, see this in, hopefully, oh, I think I just got it here. Nope. Hold up. I'm gonna take my glove off, see if that helps. Nope. Alright. Well, anyways, give me a second to put my glove back on. But anyways, like you would put like a turkey or a chicken or something on there, and it would rotate, and it would be cooking and that would be like evenly cooking it out. We got some latches here. This just leads down to, hey, there's coal in here. It's not charcoal. It's not just charcoal. It's straight up coal. That's cool. I didn't mean to do that. But up here is where you would put this. Put all your stuff in. And you'd burn it. I'm pretty sure that's how that works. I'm pretty new. Alright. So, hopefully you saw everything. So, hopefully you guys saw all of that. If it was not cut off, it more than likely was, but at the beginning of the video, before it cut out, I set the eggs right here to have you guys watch me take the eggs back. So we'll latch this real quick. I'm sorry if you didn't get some of this. When I make the video, like the short video, if you guys missed anything because it was cut out, I don't know how long it was cut out for, but I'll give you guys a short, and hopefully I can fit everything that you guys missed in there if you did miss anything. So, and the short that I'm going to be making here in a while, I'm going to put a couple pieces of wood in the wood stove, and if you guys missed anything, obviously get that in there. So I'm going to cut the video out here. I'm not like going to end the video, I'm just cutting it so we can get to my room. So I cut the video out in my room, and so I just wanted to show you guys like a tour of the farm and stuff. So hopefully you had a good time watching this video. Again, if you did miss anything, because I was going to cut the video out and then I looked and it was already cut. So if you guys did miss anything, I'll get another video, getting all the stuff that you guys missed. So have a good day and see you.